everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up the March Sephora Play Box. Super excited to find out what kind of stuff is on the inside. This box is a monthly subscription box and costs a total of $10. So let's go ahead and open it up and find out what we got. Now you have to use the scissors like a sane person. Cut away from yourself, you guys. Always cut away. You guys, you won't believe it. I found the inside of the box. Yeah. Legit inside of the box. Here's the website that you go to. I'll be linking that down below. It comes with the little sheet of paper that tells you what's in there and the little bag. Let's find out what our little theme is right now. And it looks like it is festival. So it says festival beauty vibes and everything. It comes with this lovely little poster with a bunch of little random information and this card. This card allows you to get a bonus 50 points to your account. Your points can be used to get like sample sites of various items. So legit, totally worth it, you guys. The backside does tell you what's all in there. I'm not going to show you guys the backside. I will have it out so that I can read it because I am old and going blind. Look at this bag, you guys. It says beauty is my spirit animal. I really like this bag. This bag is totally cute. And we're just randomly gonna reach in and pull out. Ooh, you guys, look at this. I mean, it's from Barigio. I do love this brand. This is the Blossom and Blossom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. Oh, I recently started using a volumizing spray when I'm going to go out or something because my hair is so thin, as you can see, and it needs a little something more at times. Let's go ahead and spray it so we can see what it smells like. Because I see scent. Very nice mist, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Do you even see it? Oh, it smells nice. I like it, you guys. I look forward to using it. We're gonna find out what Ed thinks about the scent. Next item in the bag is from Lancome. Look at this little guy. This is a face cleanser and makeup remover. Oh, so I'm looking forward to using this. I would attempt to say the name. I'm going to be like, it's Miel and Mousse. That's probably incorrect. I knew the word mousse because I'm a fat girl and mousse is delicious. Next item. Ooh, another very good brand is Dr. Jart. And what did we get from Dr. Jart? This is a premium beauty balm SPF 45. It's a BB cream, which there you guys go. You barely read the BB on there. All right, you guys, so this BB cream is based off of my shade profile that I have over at Sephora because I have been shade matched over there. So this should be close to me. I'm going to put a dot on my hand real quick here. And we're going to, oh wow. A little bit goes like quite a bit away. Man, why am I rubbing it in? Like I would tap it in. And you guys, this is the shade that they gave me. Yeah, I think it might match. We will find out. I will test this out in the future in one of my makeup videos that I do for the destination stuff. Next item is from the Sephora collection. This is a contour eye pencil. This is in called, let's see here. It's a waterproof color in Blonde Ambition. So according to the little document that came, according to the little poster that came with this, you're supposed to use this color to go ahead and like draw designs and everything. I will most likely not do that. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand next to that other shade that we had earlier. And this is that shade. You guys, look at that. That is like incredibly bright. I think that would be really cool to toss into your waterline to brighten up your eyes. So it's a nice little size and everything, and it's waterproof, so who knows? I will probably try this and everything. I do like the Sephora brand of stuff, and I don't see many videos on YouTube talking about like the Sephora brand or the Ulta brand. And let me know in the comment section if that is something that you would want to see in the future. Next item. The next item is from Buxom, and it's the Plump Line Lip Liner. So here is what it looks like. This is the shade Hush Hush. Let's go ahead and swatch it out on our hand. Can I do this backwards? Here it is. It's a lovely like little nude shade and everything. Not bad. And it comes with a lip brush on this side. I don't really know what I feel about that because I don't use a lip brush typically. And from what I know about this brand is there's probably a lipstick in the same shade. If you really want to be like that girl and totally match, you can't do that. You can do it. I don't know if I would. This color is very nice and everything, though. I will probably end up wearing it in the future. And lastly, from the bag, therefore making this an empty bag, is from Marja. It is a hair care stuff. I have a deep treatment butter and a cleansing cream. So basically a shampoo and conditioner. These are in those little packet thingies. My hair is short enough. I usually can get 2 out of each one. But everything like this kind of like depends on A, how does it smell, and B, how does it react to my hair. My hair is very fine, and so if the conditioner is heavy, it can give it a instantly like totally disgusting greasy look, or just totally weighed down and I can't do anything with it at all. So we will try this out. All in all, I'm rather surprised. It looks like I only got like 3 makeup things, and I think I might use 1 or 2 of them on the regular. We will have to see. I've never used a BB cream before, so this is a good way for me to be able to try one out. I am sort of kind of excited about using that liner into the waterline in the future. And as far as the lip liner, I have plenty of lip liners, but I'm also really lazy about sharpening them, so it's a backup. But I would probably never use the brush part. Definitely going to be using the hair care stuff from Barigio. I love that company. I really wish that I can get to the point where I can like justify buying it on the regular. And then there was the cleanser, so I'm going to go ahead and try out that cleanser. I do have a favorite cleanser of mine, and we'll see if this is something I want to add to my I want to add to what I own already and kind of like switch it up every now and then. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here and spending some time with me. I am so happy to have had the opportunity to do all this with you guys today. I made a video for this makeup look that I am wearing today, and I hope to be posting it relatively soon. I don't know if it's going to be on the next video or whatever. This is the one that's going to be for Nessus, and I don't know what planet is next. So we'll see. You guys, you know I love to play video games, and I like to play games with my friends and share that experience with you. So if you'd like to help support me and hang out with me and everything, feel free to go over to my Twitch channel and give me a follow. I hope that you do so and we can hang out and have fun. It is in live time, so if you type in the chat, I will see it and respond to it provided I am not getting my face blasted off or something stupid along those lines, you guys. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out with me today. I really appreciated it. I'm going to go ahead and put links to all these items, regardless of where else you can buy these products at. I'll be linking only to Sephora because that would be really messed up to like put links otherwise. I will also be putting in links to all my social medias, especially my Twitch channel, where you can like come hang out and watch me play video games horribly. I'm just excited to hang out with you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.